Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make chicken pesto pasta. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so just into a pan on a high heat, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next we're going to place some pre-cooked chicken breast. Now that's just simple grilled chicken. And add about a teaspoon of garlic. Next we're going to add a touch of white wine. Make sure to burn the alcohol off. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce. Some cracked pepper. At this point turn your heat down. A pinch of salt, and we'll add in about half a cup of cream. Add in half a handful of shallots, or spring onions as they're referred to everywhere else. In Australia they're shallots. And just a couple of pieces of sundried tomato. Now that's not necessary, but it gives it a good flavour. So guys, while that's simmering, we'll add in our pasta. In my case, penne, which I've just boiled. And all we're going to do is toss that through. And we're going to cook on a low heat until the sauce is thickened up and we're ready to serve. Okay, so that's thickened up, so we're ready to serve. So just simply spin it out into a plate. And of course you can't have pasta without some fresh parmesan cheese. And we'll finish that off with some fresh parsley. And there we have it guys, that's all there is to it. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.